BMW is a multinational company based in Germany that manufactures high-end automobiles and motorbikes. The firm was established in 1916 and it has a long and illustrious history in the field of automobile manufacturing. In 1913, Karl Rapp established Rapp Motoren Werke, a firm that manufactured airplane engines. This event is considered to be the beginning of the company's history. Rapp Motoren Werke joined with two other firms in 1916 to establish BMW, which at first concentrated on manufacturing aviation engines for the German military. For your information, BMW is short for Bavarian Motor Works. We can't pronounce the German version. Sorry for that. The company started manufacturing motorcycles in the 1920s, and the business immediately became well known for the exceptional quality of its products and the inventive designs it offered. The Dixie was the first automobile produced by them. It was released in 1923 and was modeled after the Austin 7 and equipped with a 750cc inline-4 engine. After this came the 315s, a tiny automobile that debuted in 1929 and was equipped with a 1.5-liter inline-4 engine. It was the first model of BMW to use this configuration. During this time period, they were active in the world of racing, and the company's automobiles and motorbikes had great success in a variety of competitions and championships. In 1936, their motorcycle team took first place in the Isle of Man TT, which is considered to be one of the most important motorcycle races in the world. The following year, a 328 took first place in the Mille Miglia, which is considered to be one of the most prestigious road races in Italy. In the 1930s, BMW made considerable strides in diversifying its product offering and advancing its technological capabilities. The manufacturer debuted a variety of new models, some of which were the 303, a small sedan that was driven by a 1.2 liters inline-6 engine, and the 315, a sports car that was powered by a 1.5 liters inline-6 engine. They also started manufacturing luxury automobiles with the release of the 327, a luxury sports car that was powered by a 2.0-liter inline-6 engine. BMW's other luxury vehicles included the 328 and the 328i. During World War II, the company was compelled to suspend manufacture of civilian automobiles in order to redirect its efforts on the development of aircraft engines for the German military. The aircraft engines manufactured by the business were installed in a variety of military aircraft, such as the Messerschmitt Bf 109 and the Focke-Wulf 190, amongst others. The aircraft engines produced were well known for their dependability and performance, and they were an important component of the air power that the German military had throughout the war. However, the company's participation in the conflict resulted in a variety of unfavorable outcomes in a number of different ways. After the war, it became illegal for BMW to produce aviation engines, so the business was compelled to concentrate its efforts on the production of automobiles and motorcycles instead. The fact that the firm had established its name on the production of high-quality aircraft engines caused this to be a significant setback for the business, and the corporation struggled to adjust to the changing circumstances of the market. In addition, the fact that they were involved in the conflict brought up a variety of unfavorable repercussions for the business's image. The company was subjected to a large amount of reaction and criticism in the years that followed the end of the war as a result of the widespread association of the corporation with the atrocities done by the German military during the war. In spite of these obstacles, BMW was able to recover and regain its position as the industry's preeminent producer of automobiles that are both high in quality and technologically advanced. The company's dedication to technological advancement and superior engineering helped it triumph over the obstacles it was up against, and as a result, it maintained its position as a worldwide front-runner in the automotive sector. In the 1960s, they made considerable strides in diversifying its product offering and advancing its technological capabilities. The business debuted the 1500, a small car driven by a 1.5-liter inline-4 engine, as well as the 2002, a sports sedan powered by a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine. Both vehicles were sold under the BMW brand name. These and other models contributed to their rise to prominence as a leading producer of high-quality and technologically advanced motor cars. In the 1970s, a number of new models was introduced, including the 3 Series, which was a compact sports sedan that was powered by a range of inline-4 and inline-6 engines, and the 5 Series, which was a mid-size luxury sedan that was powered by a range of inline-6 and V8 engines. The company became one of the most successful producers of luxury automobiles thanks in large part to the success of these and other models. In the 1980s, BMW continued to broaden its product lineup while simultaneously enhancing its technological capabilities. Both the M3, a high-performance version of the 3 Series that was powered by a 2.3 liters inline-4 engine, and the 7 Series, a full-size luxury sedan that was powered by a range of inline-6 and V8 engines, were introduced by the company. The company became an industry leader in the production of high-performance and luxury automobiles in large part due to the contributions of these and other models. If you are interested, subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when the videos related to the M3, M5, and 7 series have been uploaded. The firm is well known for its dedication to innovation and technical quality, and as a result, many people consider the automobiles it produces to be among the very finest available anywhere in the globe. In recent years, BMW has also placed a focus on sustainability, with a primary emphasis placed on minimizing its effect on the environment and manufacturing cars that are more fuel efficient. The corporation has committed significant resources to the development of renewable energy sources and environmentally responsible production methods, and it has set ambitious goals for the manufacture of electric and hybrid vehicles. The current lineup of vehicles offered by the manufacturer includes several distinct types of automobiles, such as sports cars, sedans, and SUVs. The 5 Series is a luxurious sedan that can be purchased with a wide range of interior options and powertrain configurations, including a plug-in hybrid version. It is equipped with cutting-edge technology such as a touch-screen information and entertainment system, as well as advanced driver assistance systems. The X5 is a mid-size SUV that provides a roomy cabin, a selection of potent engines, and a variety of cutting-edge features such as a panoramic moonroof and a touch-screen infotainment system. The M3 is a high-performance sports car that is distinguished by its adaptive suspension and track-inspired design, in addition to its twin-turbocharged engine and a host of other cutting-edge features. The i4, an all-electric sedan that made its debut not long ago, has a range of up to 373 miles on a single charge. It comes equipped with innovative technology such as an infotainment system controlled via touch screen and advanced driver assistance systems. These are just a few of the most recent BMW models that are currently available. The company offers a varied product line, which includes options that are suitable for a wide variety of drivers. That wraps up today's video. We appreciate you taking the time to watch the episode today. We hope that you liked the film and that it was informative to you. We publish new content every day, so be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of the stuff that will be published in the days and weeks ahead.